Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife. Welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter project. Today I have a really fun side edge card for you. This is my Easter Bunny side edge card. Isn't that just adorable? I love the little happy scene. I love the pattern paper on the inside. And of course, there's a spot on the back for your message. I include an envelope as well. Now, I love side edge cards. They're super fun. They're super whimsical. You can really dress up the inside with different pattern papers. It's such a fun card to make. So let's get your materials ready and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2023. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to convert here, so let's first find the envelope, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Do the same thing for the card base, change the score line to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, for the Easter Bunny, the little whiskers are going to be drawn on by the CRICUT. So we need to find those whiskers. That's this right here. Change that to pen. I recommend leaving that on black. Highlight the group and attach. Now that the envelope score line and card base score lines have been converted and we change the whiskers to pen, go ahead and click Make It. And I'm going to be using the mats for this project. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up our little bunny. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help act as a visual guide for you, but I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer him together. Alright, there's our cute little bunny. I'm going to set him to the side for a second. We can go ahead and finish layering up our front cover panel. So you're going to add the grass to the bottom of this front cover panel with the little rounded edge right there on the right side. Now you can add the bunny to the front cover panel. There is that little bit of space around the edge. And now I'll add this little cloud. Happy little cloud, like Bob Ross says. And then the Easter egg. And I love the pattern paper on this Easter egg. It really makes it look cool. And there is our front cover panel. I'll set that to the side for a second to dry. We can go ahead and mat and layer our inside cover panel as well as our messaging panel. Alright, now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along that score line. Can open up the card. I love for side edge cards for pattern paper to show from the inside. And then the messaging panel I put on the back of the card. Totally my preference. I don't know if you are like that or not. You can certainly put the messaging panel on the inside of the card or put it on the back like I'm going to. Go ahead and flip the card over. And now we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. I'm going to set the card to the side for a minute and then show you how to make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Can take that inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge. Go ahead and flip the inlay over and add that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps, and then with your thumbs go ahead and push up and press to form our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one fun to make? I love that little Easter bunny. He's so sweet. I hope that you like this one. If you do make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next crafting video. Bye.